Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you make smart financial moves. Today we're diving into something that can put real money back in your pocket, the best tax saving strategies for Canadians. Let's explore how you can maximize your savings and pay less tax legally. First up, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP. When you contribute to your RRSP, you reduce your taxable income and your investments grow tax-free until retirement. The key? Invest up to your contribution limit each year and enjoy a juicy tax refund. Here's a bonus tip. Use that refund to pay off debt or invest even more. Next, we have the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA. Your money grows tax-free and withdrawals are completely tax-free too. It's a great option for investing in stocks, ETFs, or even GICs. Unlike the RRSP, you can take out money anytime without penalties, making it perfect for both short and long-term goals. Don't miss out on deductions. Claim expenses like childcare, medical costs, and student loan interest. Plus, credits like the Canada Workers Benefit or the Homebuyer's Tax Credit can significantly lower your tax bill. And if you're looking to save for your child's education, consider the Registered Education Savings Plan, or RRSP. It allows your funds to grow tax-free, and you can receive up to $7,200 in government grants. These strategies are your toolkit for keeping more of your money. Start using them and watch your savings grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite tax-saving tip in the comments. See you in the next video.